welcome back to my channel, aka my internet home. So for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you ladies how to apply your false lashes. But before we get into that video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you don't miss any more videos. You might as well hit the like button too, because like this is going to be a life changer for you, you know? So now that that's all done, let's get right into the video. What you're going to need are your lashes, your lash glue, a mirror, and tweezers, but the tweezers are optional, okay? So we can just start off with lashes. So before you even think about taking glue to your lashes, I would suggest that you measure your lashes because everybody's eyes and eye shapes are different. So if your eyes are on the smaller side, you may want to cut your lashes so that they fit your eye. If your lashes don't fit your eye, obviously they're not going to stay on and they're not going to look good. Take your lash, put it to your eye, and see if it fits your eye. If it doesn't fit your eye, just cut off a bit towards the center, well, from the center of your lash until, you know, it fits your eye perfectly. So if you're reusing lashes, like you tried on putting eyelashes before and you can't tell which one's for the right eye and which one's for the left eye, usually the eyelash hairs will go from shorter to longer, shorter being towards the center of your eye, longer being towards the end. So this one would go on my right eye. So after you have measured your eyelashes and you figured out which one goes on your right lash and your left lash, what you want to do is get your lash and your lash glue. I like to use the Super Flex rubber type eyelash adhesive in the color black. I like to use lash glue that has an applicator like this. Basically what you want to do is cover the lash band with the glue, and you want to make sure that you get the corners, okay? That's where a lot of people mess up. They don't use enough glue on the edges, the corners of the lash, and that's where the lashes usually lift up. So right now what you want to do is wait for it to get tacky. So it takes about like 15 to 20 seconds for your lashes to get tacky. You can, you know, fan them like I'm doing right now. You can blow on them. If you're putting lashes on somebody else, do not blow on the lashes. That's just kind of unsanitary. If you're putting them on yourself and you're alright with that, then go ahead, blow on your lashes. So I have my mirror in front of me right here under where the camera is. So it's been a while. And I'm going to take my tweezer. These are actually lash tweezers, so they're meant for putting on eyelashes. I'm going to take my tweezer and I'm going to hold my lash in the center. I'm going to take my mirror, and I don't want to blind you guys, so I'm not going to put the mirror up here, but let's use my hand for a mirror. You want to hold the mirror in front of your face and then tilt it down so you're looking down at it, so then you could see where your eyelashes are. So what you want to do is take the lash that you're holding at the center, look down, and then place the center of your lash right above the center of your eye. And then once you get it placed on the center, it should be tacky, so it should stick. You want to focus on sticking down the corners of your lash. So you go on the inner corner, the outer corner, and you just make sure that it is sticking to your eye. And then boom, you have one lash on. I look ridiculous right now, but boom, you have a lash. And then you want to go ahead and do the same thing with your other eyelash. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing with my other lash. So I'm applying my glue and I'm making sure that I get the corners of the lashes. Okay, now I'm waiting for it to get tacky, and I'm gonna hold it in the center. If you're not using a tweezer, you would use your finger and hold it in the center like this. Okay, so you have the mirror up in front of your face, bring it down, look down with your eyes. Don't turn your head down, like don't tilt your head down. Only look down with your eyes so that you can see your eyelashes. So then you take your tweezer, you take your lash, you're looking down, and then you can see above your lash, put it in the middle of your eye, and then make sure you get the corners down, and boom, there we go. Now we have both of our lashes on our eyes. Oh, look at us, we're cute. Look at that. Look at that, we cute. Ooh. So another tip that I have for my beginners is if you're not confident in the way that your lashes look and you feel like there's too much space between your false lashes and your real lashes, all you have to do before you put on your eyelashes is to apply eyeliner. Preferably a black eyeliner. So if you have on black eyeliner, it's really hard to tell that your lashes are a little higher than you need them to be. If anybody can see that, they are way too close to your face, boo-boo. And they need to mind their business anyway, alright? So if you made it all the way to this part of the video, comment down below, thanks boo, so I know that you made it to this part of the video. That would really help me out and I would really appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Also make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button if you didn't get to at the beginning of the video. I love you all so much and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye!